is Mr. Carrot here at my feet. We have made friends now, totally. He's a really nice dog, very calm, very well behaved, really like that. And as I said, he was a little bit aloof at the beginning of our time together, but this is over. The ice is broken. Huh? Yes, yes, you're a good boy. Sit down again there, sit down. You're my friend? You're my puppy? Yes, you're my puppy? Yes? You're so beautiful. Yes, you are. Here's another treat. That's right. That's right. He wags his tail a lot. He's nice with dog, even when some are not so nice with him, right? We saw that. He's very calm. He's chill. He's a perfect companion for a walk, to read a book, to watch TV. He's just the best. So this is Mr. Carrot here at the Manhattan Care Center. Yeah, here's another treat for the boy. And he's just waiting for you. Yeah, Mr. Carrot.